He's fed the world his dream of peace.
Once he does it,
When he dies, they'll have to face reality.